Got to be grateful for what you get. You've got to be careful, you can't sell those products. Yes! Okay, got a nice trolley. Okay, there's one trolley. And we've done it again, boys and girls. Right, this van is getting really full up. This is all the stuff from the van, mate. Right, all ready to go. Got all my things I need. Got my fridge, plenty of frozen bottles in there to keep stuff cool. So now I need to go and load up the van and get on the road. So let's do this. 50% off. And this one here, first trolley of the trip. So we've got an empty van here, so there's just my stuff, and I've got a couple of products I need to return back there. I'm going to fill up right now because we've got the first trolley full of stuff. One thing you've got to be careful of when you're finding products RA, right? You've got to make sure that they are all quality and they're all sealed up. Okay, I've got another trolley full of stuff there, so that's pretty good. I am going into store number 3, so let's grab myself a trolley. Let's see if we can spend a couple of thousand at least. Okay, got 50% off this lot here, so this is looking pretty good. And these are working up 15. I was happily paying 25 for those, so we're starting to fill up a little bit, but nothing special, only 3 stores, a lot of driving today. Just went into Burger King, it's the only place to get a coffee. I know it's a load of crap, I never eat that food really, but it smells so good. Don't forget the sushi, poke bowl. This'll do. That's okay, that's okay. And we've got a fridge, hopefully. No fridge. Look, it's a false fridge. You tricked me. So we are starting to get a little bit full. Right, it is day 2, so just going into the stores now. And it is lovely blue skies. Some people ask me, what happens when I go into a store and I don't find anything? Well, I walk out. I go to another store, and then I just found these. You've got to be careful, we can't sell those products as new, so they're gonna have to go as used, and you don't want to be dealing with that. Not too bad. First store of the day. This is crazy. Look at this. I'm gonna take this trolley back to the van, and then I'm gonna come back in for at least 1 or 2 more trolleys. Yeah, it's not all about us. It's about the kids. And the kids getting their presents. Okay, got a nice trolley full of stuff there. I don't know how much this is gonna cost. Right, coming back into the same store, just to have another quick scan around the shelves. And we've done it again, boys and girls. Another load up. A lot of products here, and most of these are full price as well. So got another load up, another big trolley full of stuff, and then on to the next one. Actually, I'm gonna have some lunch. It's getting late. Okay, this store, we've already got a trolley full of stuff. I'm gonna have to go and pay for this lot, come back. So there's 1 trolley full, so we're going to get this in the van and then get back in the store again. Okay, there's 1 trolley. I'm gonna have to go and pay for this and then come back because there's a ton more stuff here. So the van's getting full up. I'm going back into the store again, get another trolley full. Baby, we're gonna go and get another trolley. This one is full up. But you know, last time it was hammering down with rain, floods everywhere, and now it's crazy, crazy winds. Nice and tidy. So we've got a nice bit of space now. Go and get this in the van. I'm getting back in that shop again. Okay, let me know. Do you think I can get any more in there? I don't know. I need to get some more bits out of the van just to take up to the hotel room. And so then tomorrow morning, I can just be on the road and I can just crack on and get on with it and fill the rest of this van up. Still quite a few stores left to do, but I don't normally get a Burger King, ever. I mean, the last one I had must have been 6 months ago, but I'm doing it today. Home sweet home for today. Ooh, kettle. Have we got a fridge? Yes! Past couple of days been proper windy, and now it's just hammering down with rain, so anyway, I'm gonna get in this store and see what we can find. This one makes some good money, I think. Okay, not the best trolley, but anyway, still a good amount of profit in there. So I've got 750 euros of discount coupons to use. Got to be grateful for what you get. I had my doubts whether those coupons would work, but they did, so saved myself an extra 50 euros. I've got a bit of a mission here, but there's a lot of stuff still on the shelves, so. In this store, 1,055 euros worth, and got 170 euros off. Okay, trolley number 3 out of this store. So I just picked up another full-on trolley full of stuff there, and I'll be going back in again. Yeah, that was good. Spent 655, but got 100 off, so only cost 555. Nice. Hello, mate. Let's go and get this lot in the van. looking, see if they let me get another trolley. Yeah, the last lady in that store looked a little bit annoyed. Right, this van is getting really full up, but gonna have to put this last little bit in there. Right, plans have changed a bit this morning, so instead of going to the prep centre to drop things off, I'm gonna be going home. It was a quick in and out job, so yeah, got a few bits there. Okay, got another trolley full of stuff there. Go and see if we got any deals in here. Okay, just a quick stop en route and found a few bits there. Got a few bits in that store there, so now I am going home. All I've got to do is stop for some diesel and go and see the family. Let's go. Put these last few bits in here and then we're gone. We're going home, baby. Okay, the office now, and then I'll show you in a little while because it's going to be full up. Right, let's unload this bad boy. This is all the stuff from the van, mate. All this lot. I got back last night. The whole team unloaded. Me, all this lot here as well. There. And all this lot here. Yeah, all that lot there. All these boxes of stuff. Carmen has got all the shipments ready and we are now going to start boxing up